In this video, we are going to show you how to create new invoices on the dashboard. GuardsPro Invoicer gives you the convenience of creating and sending professional invoices with instant invoice delivery for faster payments. The simple and time-saving invoicing process ensures accurate and faster billing. You can create invoices for multiple services and currencies in a few simple steps. Click on the Invoicer from the main menu and select Invoices. On the next screen, click on New Invoice. On the next screen, you are required to add the invoice details. Add a title and description for the invoice. Under the Bill to section, select the client and client post site for which invoice has to be billed, and add the invoice number, invoice date, and payment due date. Under the Item section, click on Add an item and from the drop-down menu select one of the services to be billed. You can also create a new item by choosing Create New from the drop-down menu. On the next screen a side panel appears. Simply enter the item name, description, and price. You can also add the tax rate applicable to the item and submit. A new item has been added to the list, which you can select while creating an estimate or invoice. Next, click on Calculate Hours given under Quantity in the Items section. A side panel will appear. You can choose to bill on the basis of hours or number of hits, depending on your company policy. Now select the invoicing duration. You can also select the skills or departments if you wish to be specific. When you click on Calculate, you see a list of the regular, holiday, overtime, and total hours. You need to select the guard hours for which the invoice has to be created. These hours are directly calculated from the time card that specifies the breakup of the regular, holiday and total guard hours recorded during the selected duration. Now go ahead and enter the rate per hour in the defined space and the amount due will be automatically calculated. Note, to create an invoice for regular, overtime or total hours separately, these need to be added as separate items. Just click on Add an item, select the service and then select the hours to be billed or create a new one. Once the details are added, you can preview and edit the invoice or save the same to be sent to the client on some future date. To send the invoice to the client, from the list of invoices, click on the three dots, select Send Invoice from the drop-down, enter the required details and hit Send. The invoice will be delivered to the client's email address. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime.